Hello, fellow learners. I have chosen performance support as my presentation to you today. My criteria for performance support is I want it to be accessible, which means I can access it remotely and at home. I want it to be relevant to the specific task or subject that I want to learn. I want it to be simple to create. I want it to be an effective tool for goals, and in this particular situation, just learning terms and their definitions easily and quickly. I want it to be easy to revise or to update. And so today I'm going to show you Quizlet, which is available by a smartphone app or it has a website. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that website. I have my account opened up and I'm going to show you how to create a study set. So to create a study set, you can either manually upload your information as far as your terms and your definitions for the terms, or you can actually create a Excel spreadsheet, and you can that can be your basis, and then you can copy and paste from your spreadsheet. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to create a set. I'm going to go ahead and name it IT for Innovative Technology. I'm going to click Import, and then right here is where I'm going to paste from my spreadsheet the terms and the definitions. Click Import. And then click Create, and it wants me to select my language. I'm going to click on Choose Language, and then click on Create again. And I could actually share this link with other people, but today I'm choosing not to, so I'm going to X out of that. And now I have two terms, and there's different ways you can view your terms. You can view them through a flashcard. You can actually click on this test, and it'll populate a multiple choice test or a written type test. There's a gaming feature to this, and I'll demonstrate that really quickly. So we're watching out for the asteroids as they drop, so you will have the term or the definition will drop down, and then you will type in what your answer is. Before that drops down, hopefully. And I believe that you can go ahead and change the speed of this also. So that's one way of doing memorization and some studying. I'll show you the flashcard feature. So you click on the flashcard and it flips to the other side and shows you whether you're looking at the term or you're looking at the definition. So I will also show you how it's easy to edit your terms. Here's the little edit key. And so if you want to go ahead and change up your definition, you want to add something to your definition, it just allows free texting to where you can add to your definition. Here's another feature. This is a matching feature. So once you match, then you will go ahead and it'll go ahead and just remove it. So those are just some different ways that you can study. So I'm going to return back to my criteria to see if it meets all of my criteria. So yes, this is easily accessible both remotely and at home, and it is relevant to the subject that I am learning. To me, it was very simple to create, whether you type it in manually or you basically take the information from a spreadsheet and do a copy-paste. It was an effective tool. It did help me meet my goals and help me memorize things very quickly, whether it was on the smartphone or I was at home and I was just bouncing back and forth between doing some homework and just clicking on some of the different gaming features or actually typing in answers. And it was very easy for me to revise and update. So thank you for listening and have a great day.